Namaskar. Today we will be going to discuss the working of encoder. Now here is the pin diagram of encoder IC. It is 74148. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4 are the input pins, namely I4, I5, I6 and I7. Pin number 5 is the enable input. Pin number 6, 7 and 9 are namely the outputs. Here they have mentioned A2, A1 and A0. Pin number 8 is the ground pin. Pin number 10, 11, 12 and 13 are input pins I0, I1, I2 and I3. Pin number 14 and 15 are the output pins, namely GS and EO. Pin number 16 is VCC, that is positive supply pin. On the paper I have mentioned I7 to I0, and we will be providing these inputs through the key panel, for which 1, that means when the switch is to the right position it is 1, and if it is to the left position then it is 0. Now there are 8 switch I7 to I0. Now we will keep all the switch to position 0 first. To the right side I have mentioned it is EO, GS, I2, I1, I0, and these LEDs will represent the status of IO, GS, I2, I1, I0. Now this is the buffer circuit, because the IC 74148 cannot drive the LEDs directly, and to provide a sufficient current to the LED we will be using the buffer IC 74245. Now here is the IC 74148. I had connected pin number 1 to one input through this wire somewhere here, and this wire goes here. Therefore typically this is I4, I7, 6, 5 and 4. Similarly for pin number 5, 6, 7 as input. For pin number 5 it is enable input. Now this digital switch, there are only 8 switches and we cannot provide a switch for this EI, enable input. Therefore we will be connecting this enable input directly to VCC. Here it is connected to VCC, or we can connect it to ground. To check the status of output, I had connected pin number 6, 7, 9 and 14, 15 to the LED panel. Here it is pin number, I think it is green, means it is EO, that is output enable. This is the pin number 15. Pin number 14 is connected through this wire to the second LED and so on. Therefore, these LEDs will represent I0, I1, I2, GS and EO. Now what we have to do? For different input combinations, we will have to check the status of LEDs. Okay. Now you have to prepare your own truth table. For different combinations of inputs, we will have to write the status of output. Now as there are 8 inputs, that is I7 to I0, and one more input, that is EI, that is input enable input. In all there are 9 inputs and 5 outputs. Therefore the possible input combinations are 2 raised to 9. Now practically it is difficult to write all the combinations and prepare a truth table. But for that we will be using one more possible input, that is X, and it is known as don't care. For example, if there is the AND gate and one input of AND gate is connected to 0, then definitely you can write the output to be equal to 0 with the other input to be don't care. That means if A is 0 and B is 0 or 1, any one, the output will be 0. Therefore, the two states 0, 0 and 0, 1 can be mentioned in a single row in a truth table, that is 0x, and the output will be 0. Similarly, x0, that means if B is 0, then irrespective of A, the output will be 0, and therefore we can write the truth table only in 3 rows, that is 0x, output is 0, x0, output is 0, and 1, 1, the output is 1. This is for AND gate. Using the same technique, you can prepare a truth table without 2⁹ rows. Now, how many rows are essential? You will have to think over it. Now, I will not going to give you the ready-made truth table. You will have to prepare your own truth table as a homework. I will show you the required combinations, not all 2⁹ combinations I am going to represent, but I will represent you few combinations, and then you will have to write the status of, you will have to check the status of output, and you will have to prepare your own truth table. As a hint, I will add one thing. 74148 is the priority encoder. It is priority encoder. Okay. Now we will switch on the circuit. I will give you, it may not be visible clearly, therefore I will give you the status of the inputs. The status of output is clearly visible. This is red LED, green LED, red LED, green LED and red LED. They may be on or off. You will have to observe this and you will have to prepare your own truth table as homework. I will make the circuit on, switch the circuit on. Now at this stage, the enable input is connected to VCC, that is 1, it is at logic 1. Now all the inputs are 0. I will make I7 to be 1. You will have to look at the LED panel. Therefore, we will focus more on the LED panel. I will bring the LED panel bit close. Okay, now the LED panel is clearly visible. To have a clear visibility, we may change the background so that it will be identified easily. I will check for some paper and then you can see the LED panel. 1 minute. Okay. Now check. All the LEDs are glowing now. I will make the I7 to be 0 and I will make I6 1, no change, I5 1, no change, I4 1, no change, 2R1 simultaneously, 3R1 simultaneously, 5R1 simultaneously. There is no change, therefore I will make all to be 0. Someone may say that check all to be 1. I will check what happens for all inputs to be 1. For all inputs to be 1, there is no change. All LEDs are glowing, that means all outputs are 1. Okay. Again I will make all inputs 0 and now I will change the enable input to 0. This is 1 and now it is 0. It is connected to ground. Now it shows that the first LED is not on, that is EO is 0 and rest of the LEDs are on. Okay, fine. Now I will make I0 to be 1. I will make I0 to be 1. If I make I0 to be 1, then it shows that the EO to be equal to 0, EO to be equal to 1 and GS to be equal to 0 and I2, I1, I0 are 1, 1, 1. Fine. Now I will make I7 to be equal to 1, I7 to be equal to 1. Oh, for that EO to be equal to 1 and rest of the LEDs are off, that means 0. Now I will make, keeping I7 to be 1, I will make I6 1. There is no change. I5 1. There is no change. I1 1. Okay, there is no change. Again I will make all LEDs to be 0. Okay, fine. Now I will make I6 1. Only I6 1. Oh, with I6 to be equal to 1, EO to be equal to 1, GS to be equal to 0 and I2, I1, I0 are 0, 0, 1. Good. I will make I5 1, then there is no change. I4 1, then there is no change. Fine. Now all are 0 except I5. For I5, the combination is 0, 1, 0. EO is 1, GS is 0. Now I will make I4 1, there is no change. Now only I4 1, then the output is 0, 1, 1. Only I3 1, output is 1, 0, 0. Only I2 1, output is 1, 0, 1. And for EO and GS, it is 1 and 0. Only I1 1, the output is 1, 1, 0. Only I0 is 1, the output is 1, 1, 1 with EO to be 1 and GS to be equal to 0. Now keeping I0 to be 1, if I make I5 to be 1, then the output is 0, 1, 0 with EO and GS to be 1 and 0. Fine. Now you will have to prepare your own truth table. For that you will have to make 9 input columns with I7 to I0 and EI and 5 output columns EO, GS and I2, I1, I0. Now you may prepare your own table with 2 raised to 9 possible input combinations. This is one way. But if you think over it, then you can crop this and you can have only few rows in the truth table. Now think over it. The hint is it is priority encoder. In case of any doubt, if you feel that what will be the output for this particular combination, now in this online mode there is no chance that you can prepare the experiment and you will observe the output. But at that time, send me the WhatsApp message, give me the combination, input combination. I will provide you the output combination and you may use that output combination to verify your logic behind this. Okay. Now when I will be conducting the next online session, I will ask you for the truth table, and at that time we will decide or we will discuss what is the meaning of priority encoder. Thank you.